Ka jing pen kre ban Siew dep no ya jing Siew bai Lutkasan syai Trai Jaka na banta ban penyar ke Surok Shillong Western Byepass raya Syakman. Na itu sembut menteri rang ba ubat Preston tensong bolong ru menteri ketenat ikam Surok. Ha bujubab ha kinta kli jing kli ha kasni ba a jong dol bar mang tingka ka jing do ba thau ai ngi jala. Ha ka khat kendai teruk rompang alja upsau. Ya kate ge jing kli la ra do noilam ka liang persya ba roni viling do bolong ru dukhat ka jing do ba thau ai na ka Congress Namlim constituency. Hawa pensyai kani menteri ulo pendikana baka jing Siew bai Lutkasan. An Pyndep no lingba ka song pisa ban rius pak prapway pon riu fuar klur ringka. Belawan ra laga Ministry of Road Transport. Babate ke Surok lamang ru ban Pyndep yaka po arsnem nadu kesni ban sedang yaka.
Reply to start question number 2. Sir, the status of the 2-lane Shillong Western Bypass road is at the final stage of land acquisition proceeding. B. Sir, does not arise in view at A above. C. Sir, does not arise in view at A above. D. Sir, the timeline for the completion of the project is 2 years from the declaration of the appointed date, commencement of the works.
Sir, I'd like to thank the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister because in the last session I had taken up the construction of the Shillong-Dauki Road, and sir, now the work is in progress. So I'm thankful to the Deputy Chief Minister also because we have seen in the media that there was some problem in the land acquisition regarding the amount to be paid to landowners. But then he is diplomatically, tactfully, he has settled the issue. So sir, I'd like to thank because all those areas that have to use that road, we are facing huge problems, sir. Even now when we came, some of the officers are still stuck on the road because of the heavy traffic congestion there. Sir, I just have few supplementaries regarding Western Bypass. I know from the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, sir, where will the Western Bypass start and where will it end? And he has stated, so 2 years. So when is likely the work orders to be issued and when will the land acquisition be completed, sir?
Sir, the starting point of the Western Bypass for 2-lane will
minimize.
Oh.
You can continue.
Yes, sir. The starting point is near Latung South, sir, and disposed to NH 106, all NH 44E, and the total length is 38.256 kilometers. And as far as the completion of this project, I have already replied, sir. I said the project is targeted for 2 years of completion from the date of declaration or appointed date.
Sir, the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister has stated the starting point. May I know where will the road end?
Sir, from this road Shillong, from Shillong Nongstoin to Ra, it's somewhere near this Lat Maureng site, sir. That is the ending point, and it will take to somewhere near Latung South.
Thank you, sir. May I request the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister if we can expedite land acquisition and the starting of the work that will ease the problem that is being faced by all the areas that are using that road, sir. Right now also, work in this 4-laning is going on in full swing, sir. I would like to express my gratitude to the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister for taking the initiative. I'd request him to take further initiative regarding the Western Bypass so that we can ease the people traveling using that road, sir. Thank you.
Yes, sir. In fact, I am following up very closely to this particular project, which is very important for the state. And I am so happy to also inform the honorable members of this August House that the Ministry of Road Transport has already even sanctioned a total amount of 681.63 crores as land compensation. And we are waiting the fund to be placed in the respective deputy commissioners, which I am very sure will be able to get this fund within this current financial year.